Good evening, holders. What's going on? It's everything going fine. Price is increasing 4.88%. Cardano will pumps up. That's really nice, my friends, to see this chart. Because my whether the price will pumps up from 2.32 to 3.2.5. That's really nice, my friend, and absolutely the price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. But in this time, my friend, if we check out in last 24 hours, so everything is going bad, as you can see here. So the price will come down to 2.2 USD dollar, minus 0.01%. They are lost. But don't worry, my brother, if we check out the last my friends 2 hour chart, so definitely you could see here minus 1.13% more price will fails down. So that's mean, my friends, to after a huge pump, absolutely the price will dumps down. But don't worry, my brother, I hope, my friends, the price will be increasing in upcoming time. But that's need, my friends, to you are starting holding, you are starting investing more and more. But if you are starting selling, so definitely the price will more fails down. So be ready, and just know only, my friend, you will need to hold now. I hope, my friend, the very huge pumps is coming soon, because this is the start of month, my friend. The first week every coin will fails down, so therefore Cardano absolutely, my friend, will fails down. But don't worry, I hope in the start of second week they will pumps up. So thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type videos.